to do a quick and fun video for you guys today because I saw this really cool recipe about chocolate chip cookie dough waffles on Instagram, and they did it with like red velvet cake. I don't really like red velvet cake, so I'm not gonna do it like that. I'm gonna put my own twist on it. You're basically gonna be cooking chocolate chip cookie dough in your waffle maker, and you're gonna make it into a waffle by adding this waffle mix. This is the waffle mix that I picked up using my Instacart delivery, but I went ahead and I linked it down below for you guys if you want to pick it up on Amazon. It just looked really freaking good on the box, and yeah, you guys, I can't wait to make these. The next thing that I picked up is this chocolate chip cookie dough, and I picked up this really big tub from Nestle. I don't know, I just thought it would be cool to have a big tub because then I can not only make waffles, but I can make more chocolate chip cookies this weekend. You're also gonna need an egg and some oil. That's what you're gonna need to make the waffle mix. You need 2/3 of a cup of water, 1.5 cups of this mix right here. That's all you're gonna need for this recipe. Also, you guys, you're going to need a waffle maker, and let me tell you a funny story about this waffle maker. I've actually owned it for I think over 12 years, and I've never used it once. And when I say own it, I use that term lightly because guess what? I never bought it. I never asked for it. It wasn't a gift. Someone brought it over to my house when I was having a brunch, and they wanted to make waffles at my house. We never even made waffles that day at the house. They left it there, and I probably never even chilled with this person again, and I waited and I waited and I waited. 12 freaking years I've been carrying this waffle maker around. I've never used it, and you know what? This recipe that I saw on Instagram yesterday with the chocolate chip cookies and that red velvet cake looked so freaking bomb. I was like, that's it. I'm finally using my waffle maker. Also, you guys, real quick before we get going on the rest of the video, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, and if you're already a subscriber, thanks for coming back for another video. All right, you guys, let's cook and eat this yummy waffle. Oh my god, chocolate chip cookies and waffles merged together. I can't wait to see how it turns out in the waffle maker. It's gonna be cool. Also, you guys, before we get going, check out my freaking mixing bowl. It says a bunny love, like the It's J Bunny channel, so I'm freaking so excited to use it. It says hip hop on the handle. All right, guys, let me move the camera down. Okay, you guys, so here is the waffle mix again. It has the directions for me on the back. All right, you guys, so the recipe calls for 2/3 of a cup of water, 1.5 cups of the mix, 3 tablespoons of oil, and 1 egg. All right, you guys, now I'm gonna mix it up, and after you mix it up, you're just gonna let it stand for 2 minutes. So let me mix this up first. Oh, it's coming together like really quickly and nicely. It's basically just like making pancakes, but it's waffle batter. Probably, you guys, if you made this using pancake batter in the waffle maker, it'd probably be just as good. Just a little different flavor. I can't wait to try these crusty as waffles. What are you guys up to on this Friday night in quarantine? My friend just hit me up. She wanted to hang out because all she's been seeing is people at work. And I had to tell her no because I'm just feeling the paranoia when it comes to the whole quarantine right now. And you know what? I hope I get my vaccine. Sorry. I hope I get my vaccine in April. Hopefully, yeah, they're going to be available to everybody. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys like watching me cook, and at least we can hang out together. All right, guys, so that was like super quick and easy to mix up. I'm now gonna let it stand for 2 minutes. While I do that, I'm simply going to take my waffle maker and plug it in. This turns the power on just by plugging it in. So yeah, you guys are gonna wait 2 minutes, wait for the waffle maker to heat up. All right, you guys, so the waffle maker has this little light on it that turns on when it's ready. So yeah, you guys, we're ready to start building the waffles. I have my cookie dough here. I have this for the waffle batter. I'm gonna scoop the waffle batter out with a soup ladle. I have a spoon here that I'm gonna take the cookie dough out with. Ooh, it's hot. Okay. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna take a scoop of cookie dough and I'm gonna put it in the middle of each waffle. So basically the size of one cookie. Now I'm gonna take my waffle batter. Ooh. You guys, and that's it. I'm gonna close it up. I hope I didn't overfill the waffle maker, but yeah, it looks pretty good. So it says on the back of the waffle box to wait until the waffles stop steaming or until you think they're done. Look, they're just cooking away in there. Whoa, they're looking so good, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna give it like another 30 seconds because it doesn't look quite done, but almost done. Oh, perfect. Here are the waffles. They look absolutely amazing. You can see like the little chocolate chips. Just gonna cut it in half so I can really get some of that cookie dough. Are you guys, cheers to waffles on a Friday night. Whoa, look at these waffles. You can see the chocolate chip right there and the syrup dripping off. All right, you guys, these are absolutely amazing. If anything, don't be scared to even add more cookie dough than I added. And yeah, make sure not to cook your waffles for too long because definitely you want it to be, I think, more of this lighter color than a darker color. But yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed baking these fun chocolate chip cookie waffles with me. All right, you guys, have a great night and I'll see you back for my next video. Bye, guys.